The Federal Ministry of Works has removed barriers under Section 1 of the ongoing Lagos-Ibadan Expressway project to facilitate better flow of vehicular traffic during the festive season. Workmen were seen using heavy-duty equipment to remove crash barriers and other diversion points for free flow of traffic on the Opic U-turn section of the highway. The removal is a relief for motorists plying the axis, who sometimes spend 4 to 5 hours in gridlock due to the ongoing construction.
As an announcement we made that all barriers at road construction site of December to allow for free movement during this season. So on Lagos-Ibadan, we've already changed the law to which we can allow those barriers to be removed. Of course, we are here to ensure that people driving into Lagos and out of Lagos without any barriers. So that this free law that we are seeing people out in the next few weeks. So on this note, we want to urge our people to be disciplined, continue to drive smoothly and then arrive safely. And of course, thanking them, thanking our people for their understanding these past few months.
I want to say that the opening of the barriers today will no doubt reduce the travel time, leading to elimination of the gridlock that have been prevalent in the last couple of months. That itself will ameliorate the security situation along this corridor. We will continue to ensure safety of lives and property, not only on this corridor but the whole of the state. My appeal, just like the police have said, to the motoring public is for them to abide by rules of traffic at all times.